Okay guys, for today's workshop bell work, I have 4 questions. I want you to write the first 2 in standard form and the second 2 in scientific notation. So go ahead, pause the video, and then we can go through these together. Okay, so for standard form, you have to look at the exponent and figure out where you are moving the decimal. So the -3 tells me I'm going to move the decimal left 3 units, and the +6 tells me I'm going to move my decimal right 6 units. So I start out with 1.167, and I'm going to move my decimal 1, 2, 3 units to the left, fill in any zeros, so I get 0.001167. 2.99, I need to move my decimal right 6 units, so I take 2.99 and it's going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's where my new decimal point goes. I'm going to fill in with zeros. So I get 2,990,000 as the standard form. Going the opposite way I think is a little bit trickier. So for going the opposite direction and writing this in scientific notation, you have to remember that it's going to have times 10 to a decimal, or to an exponent, times 10 to an exponent. And you have to figure out if the exponent is going to be big or small. So for the example on the right, I'm going to have a positive exponent. The example on the left, I'm going to have a negative exponent. Because again, if you have a small number, the exponent is negative. If you have a big number, the exponent is positive. You have to figure out where the decimal would be if it were in scientific notation. So 1.57, 6.54. I can go ahead and write that as the coefficient. And then lastly, you have to figure out how the decimal has moved. So how did I go from 1.57 to 0.000157? Well, the decimal moved 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the left, so -4. How did I go from 65,400,000 to 6.54? Well, my decimal has moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spots. So it's going to be 6.54 times 10 to the 7th. So again, these are questions like what is going to be on your quiz next hour. I need you to complete the assessment practice and the graph of the week questions, attach them all in your workbook, and make sure you get your subsheet signed. See you guys later.